Imagine waking up 5 years from now and realizing that some of the highest paying jobs in the world didn't even exist when you first watched this video. Jobs your school never mentioned. Jobs your parents never heard of. Jobs that sound strange at first, but are quietly creating millionaires behind the scenes. Right now, while most people are still arguing about whether AI will take jobs away, something much bigger is happening. AI is creating entirely new careers, and most people have no idea they're coming. School. If you stay till the end of this video, you'll discover opportunities that could completely change how you think about your future, your income, and your skills. This is not hype. This is already happening. Before we go deeper, take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells the algorithm to show this content to more people who want to stay ahead of the future. You're watching AI Side Hustle, where we break down real AI opportunities in simple language so anyone can understand and take action. Now let's talk honestly for a moment. When most people hear the word AI, they immediately think fear. They imagine robots replacing humans, offices shutting down, and jobs disappearing overnight. Social media pushes this fear every single day. But history shows us something very different. Every major technology shift didn't just destroy jobs, it created brand new ones that people never imagined before. When the internet arrived, no one knew what a social media manager was. When smartphones came, no one knew what an app developer, influencer, or digital marketer would be. AI is doing the same thing right now, but at a much faster speed. The difference this time is that the new jobs don't always come with clear titles. They don't appear on traditional job boards. They start quietly. Someone experiments. Someone notices a problem. Someone builds a skill around AI, and suddenly, a new role is born. These jobs are not about coding robots or building complex algorithms. Many of them are creative, strategic, emotional, and human-centered. That's what makes them so powerful. One of the most surprising new roles emerging right now is the AI workflow designer. This person doesn't build AI models. Instead, they design how AI fits into a business. Imagine a small company drowning in emails, customer support tickets, content creation, scheduling, and data management. An AI workflow designer maps all of that out and decides where AI can save time, reduce cost, and improve results. They connect tools together, automate steps, and create systems that work 24/7. Businesses are paying thousands of dollars per month for this service because once a workflow is built, it keeps generating value. What makes this job powerful is that it doesn't require deep technical knowledge. It requires understanding how businesses actually operate. If you understand how online stores work, how coaches run programs, how real estate teams manage leads, or how content creators publish videos, you're already halfway there. AI simply becomes the assistant that does repetitive work. The human designs the system. Another job most people have never heard of is AI prompt strategist. At first, prompts seemed like a small thing. Type a question and get an answer. But companies quickly realized that the quality of output depends heavily on how instructions are written. A prompt strategist creates advanced instructions that guide AI to produce consistent high-quality results. These prompts are used for marketing, legal research, product descriptions, training materials, and customer communication. Some companies now store hundreds of optimized prompts internally, just like they store software. These prompts are assets. People are getting paid not for writing once, but for creating reusable prompt systems that teams can use daily. This role blends psychology, communication, and problem solving. It's less about technology and more about understanding how humans think and how AI responds. Then there's the AI content repurposing specialist. This job exists because attention is scattered everywhere. One podcast episode can become YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn posts, email newsletters, blog articles, and website content. AI can help, but someone still needs to guide it, edit it, and maintain brand voice. Businesses don't want robotic content. They want human emotion, storytelling, and clarity. An AI repurposing specialist takes long-form content and turns it into dozens of pieces across platforms using AI tools. Creators and businesses love this because it multiplies their reach without multiplying their workload. Many creators pay monthly retainers for this service turning it into stable recurring income. Another emerging role is the AI brand voice trainer. This is one of the most underrated jobs of the future. Companies are realizing that AI-generated content often sounds generic unless it's trained properly. A brand voice trainer feeds examples, tone rules, emotional guidelines, and language preferences into AI systems. They make sure the AI writes like the brand, speaks like the brand, and feels human. This role is perfect for people who understand writing, tone, and storytelling. It's not about grammar perfection, it's about emotion. Is the brand friendly or authoritative? Casual or premium? Bold or calm? Once the voice is defined, AI becomes much more powerful. Now, let's talk about a job that sounds strange but is growing fast: AI ethics consultant. As AI spreads into hiring, healthcare, finance, and education, companies are terrified of making mistakes. Bias, misinformation, privacy issues, and legal risks can destroy trust overnight. AI ethics consultants help companies set boundaries on how AI is used. They don't need to be lawyers or engineers. Many come from social science, communication, or policy backgrounds. Their role is to ask important questions. Should this data be used? Could this output harm users? Is this system transparent enough? Governments and enterprises are already paying large fees for this guidance. Another hidden role is AI output reviewer. Even the best AI systems make mistakes. Businesses need humans who verify, correct, and improve AI-generated content. This includes checking facts, tone, cultural sensitivity, and accuracy. In industries like finance, healthcare, and education, this role is critical. Think of it like quality control for intelligence. The AI works fast. The human ensures it works right. This job is growing quietly because companies can't afford public mistakes. There's also the AI learning experience designer. As companies train employees on AI tools, someone must design simple learning systems. These designers create tutorials, step-by-step workflows, internal guides, and onboarding experiences powered by AI. The goal is not to teach technology, but to help humans feel confident using it. People underestimate how much fear exists inside workplaces right now. Many employees are scared they'll look stupid or become irrelevant. Learning designers reduce that fear. They turn AI into something friendly and usable. Another fascinating role is AI personal assistant manager. High-level executives, entrepreneurs, and influencers are now running multiple AI assistants for scheduling, research, writing, and planning. But managing these assistants still requires a human. Someone sets priorities, monitors output, and fine-tunes behavior. This role is like being a manager for digital employees. Then there's AI community manager. Online communities are growing fast, but moderation and engagement take time. AI can help respond, summarize, detect issues, and organize conversations. A human oversees the system, handles emotional situations, and keeps the community healthy. We're also seeing the rise of AI business integration consultants. These people help traditional businesses adopt AI without overwhelming them. Many business owners don't want complex tools. They want simple solutions. This consultant speaks plain language, understands business pain points, and introduces AI step by step. What's powerful about all these roles is that they don't require permission. You don't need a degree. 2. You don't need a company to hire you first. Many people start by helping one small business, then another, then another. Skills compound. Confidence grows, income follows. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until these jobs become mainstream. By then, competition increases and opportunity shrinks. Early movers always win. At AI Side Hustle, we focus on helping people spot these opportunities early, before everyone else talks about them. Because by the time something trends on social media, it's usually already crowded. AI is not replacing humans. It's changing what it means to be valuable. 2. The future belongs to people who can think, guide, connect, and design systems. Emotional intelligence, creativity, and clarity matter more than ever. If you're watching this and thinking you're not technical enough, that's actually your advantage. AI doesn't need more coders right now. It needs translators between technology and real life. As we move forward, new job titles will continue to appear. Some won't even sound like jobs at first. They'll start as side hustles, freelance gigs, experiments, then slowly become careers. And the most exciting part is this: you don't need to change who you are. You simply need to upgrade how you work. Before this video ends, I want you to think about one question. If AI can handle speed, memory, and repetition, what can you focus on that only humans do well? That's where your future income lives. If this video made you think differently about AI, write in the comments which AI job surprised you the most. Your comment helps more people discover this video, and I personally read them all. Also, share this video with someone who's worried about their future. Sometimes one idea is enough to shift someone's mindset. This is just the beginning. The AI job market is being written right now, and those who pay attention early will shape it. Thank you for watching AI Side Hustle. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and I'll see you in the next one.